Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Faster Garage. We have got a trunk or treat, as this is basically Halloween weekend, and it'd be really nice to take our new project car, Granny, our 72 Buick Skylark. But as you guys will know from the other video, we have no oil pressure. We have overheating issues and breaking up. So we're going to try to see what we can do to alleviate those problems or make them a little bit better. Not the oil pressure deal. There's not much I can do about that right now. So let's get started. So here we are, and here's the game plan. We're first going to address some of the overheating issues, or try to. We got a good radiator. Water pump's been changed. Looks like thermostat may or may not have been changed. Good hoses. No crimps. But the old condenser for the AC is in the way. So all I'm going to do is take this out, and hopefully this will help bring us down at least a few degrees so we're not running at like 215. Now, something important. This has cheap Chinese fans on it. These are going to go away. These will not keep this engine cool whatsoever. Also not a huge fan of this design because there's not a lot of open area to cool the engine. Now, as far as the breaking up goes, a lot of times with these cars, when people have messed with them, this vacuum advance, which adds more timing, doesn't kick off quick enough because the kick down cable for the turbo 350 is not tuned properly, and you get into some pinging issues. So all we're going to do, remove the hose here and put a plug here and here, and hopefully that'll get rid of some timing. We're going under load. We won't have the issues we were having with it breaking up. Also, I'll probably put a timing light on this and see if we can get this thing to run a little bit better. Now, that's going to be all we can do. Like I said, it has low oil pressure. As you can see, the person I bought from has already changed the oil. The sensor, you can't see, yeah, it's down here. Under right here is actually a mechanical one, and they're usually trustworthy, but I am so not sure about the oil pressure at this point, because it literally shows 0 on the gauge, but the engine makes no noise whatsoever. So might actually be a faulty gauge, but we'll check into that. But that's what we're going to get into, guys. Alright guys, it's happening. So far so good. Coolant's a little higher than I'd like it to be, but not bad at all. Oil pressure seems a little bit better with that additive. We're also driving though on 4 very dry rotted tires, and I haven't even looked at the suspension yet. So let's hope we make it to this trunk or treat in Springfield, Tennessee. I'm gonna have to get off here because, as you can see, we've got corners and this wheel's not straight in the least. So yeah,